Hey everyone, I'm David, Beauty Director at Sephora, and in this video, I'm gonna be sharing my routine for youthful looking skin. So I'm gonna show you the steps I use, the products I use, and some tips and tricks along the way to help you develop your own skincare routine for your youthful looking skin. So the first step I'm gonna do is obviously to cleanse. I'm gonna be using the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I really like this cleanser because it's effective but gentle, and that's really key when it comes to cleansing your face and still maintaining a youthful appearance. You want to make sure you're removing the dirt, the debris, the makeup, but you're not stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier and all that stuff. So I use a little bit. It's not a ton of product here. This is really good, really easy. I like to lather it up with a little bit of water so I get it nice and lathered, and then I start in the center of the face. With most things, I start in the center of the face, whether I'm applying foundation, everything. It's the center of the face is the area that's most concentrated with what you need. So I'm really making sure to get everywhere with this, into the crooks of the nose, get under the eye. It's really gentle, it won't burn you. Go through the forehead, and really, honestly, just make sure you're getting it everywhere. You can see it lightly lathers. That's why I like this, because it doesn't strip the skin. It's breaking down makeup, dirt, debris, and it's allowing me to, with a simple wash or a rinse afterwards, remove everything. Take a wet towel and use it to remove the excess. And this is filled with really nice, rich amino acid soy proteins, which help to actually retain and provide elasticity and suppleness to your skin. So not only are you cleansing your skin, you're actually supplying it with some great nutrients needed to really give you that more youthful appearance and glow. So the next step in my skincare routine is so important. It's my peel phase. You guys have heard me talk about this product so much. So one of the things I want to say is my skin type is pretty normal, but I am reactive and sensitive. But even with that, I know the power of a good peel, especially for youthful looking skin. It is really the key to get there. I love Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Now, this does come in a variety of intensities. You can get the extra strength. There's a universal version, and then there's also an ultra gentle version, which was actually where I started. I started with the ultra gentle because I was a little nervous. It is a two-step, pre-packaged, pre-soaked. You cannot go wrong with this. It's so easy to use. So I'm going to start by opening the first step, step 1. So it's a little pad, as you can see, pre-soaked. Again, so easy, no guesswork here. This is filled with your alpha hydroxys and your beta hydroxys. This is your exfoliation phase. It's so easy, guys. Look, you just sweep it over your skin. I like to focus in the areas first that are where I want the most exfoliation. So it tends to be my forehead, my laugh lines. That's where I go for I'm gonna put a little extra there. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Sweep it over the whole skin. There's a lot of product in here, so you can really get multiple passes over your face. And what's great is it's a slight tingle, but it's really, really easy to use, even on sensitive, reactive skin. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm using the extra strength one right now because I can handle it, and I have pretty reactive skin. Once you've swept this over, wait for 2 minutes. That's the general rule. Everybody's got 2 minutes. You can check your social media on your phone, do a little something. Sometimes I like to leave it for 3 minutes. I don't recommend that for everyone, but I do. I like a little extra peel. And once your 2 minutes is up, you're gonna go into the second step. Now, this is why this is such an effective product, because even though it's a really strong, effective peel, this second step supplies an ingredient that controls the acids in the first step. So it neutralizes them. It brings your skin back to the normal pH balance that it needs to be at. So it infuses it with great nutrients, but it also calms it down. And that's a really kind of key process in this two-step system that allows your skin to kind of send along those natural healing properties that we have within our skin. Our skin can actually perform its own healing and rejuvenation. And by doing that quick switch from acidic to calming baseline, neutralized, your skin sends that natural rejuvenative properties to your own skin. So you're actually working within your own skin's biorhythm. So to take the second step after your 2 minutes and sweep it over. It's pre-packaged. It's really easy to use. You will feel with this one a calming down of those acids. So your skin is instantly going to be soothed, hydrated, refreshed, and calm. So even for those people who have sensitive skin like me, don't worry. That's where this comes in really handy. The second step is the key to the 2-step process. And just make sure you're using it over the entire area where you placed the first step. So this really does a lot for your skin. It really helps to promote cellular renewal, as well as hydrate and infuse your skin with the nutrients that it needs. And it's also a perfect priming step in your skincare routine because my skin right now is ready to absorb and utilize any other ingredients I place on top. So this next step that I'm going to go into, my serum, is so important to be used in conjunction with that peel. So another little thing with these pads, there is a lot of product in them. So you can, in essence, bring that first and second step down through your neck and décolleté as well. So the next step is your serum. And this is such an important part of your skincare routine. It's like the booster. They tend to be lightweight and packed with effectivity. I'm going to be using the Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I love this serum. So first of all, like I said, I have reactive and sensitive skin. Vitamin C has been a little tricky for me to incorporate. I have found certain vitamin C's can cause reaction on my skin. I think that's a pretty common thing for a lot of people. This particular product I have found for my skin works wonderful. So I'm going to take a little bit. Honestly, with this, one pump is more than enough to do your entire face. And what I like with this is to start in the center as well. Those areas where you really need it. This is really fast absorbing, which is what I love about this product. It's oil soluble. So what that means is that our skin, it has oil glands. So with this being oil soluble, it means that the product can be delivered to the skin quickly and easily, and your skin can absorb it and use it rapidly, hence the name of the Rapid Lightening Serum on the bottle. What I also love about this is you can see upon application how much hydration there is on the skin, and you get this really nice glow that I love. I love the way this looks on my skin. So not only does the vitamin C work in long term, so over time you start to see the typical results from vitamin C. You get the BLT, the brightening, the lightening, and the tightening. So it works to help your skin reduce dark spots, create clearer skin, works to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But you get this really nice glow when you apply it at the moment of application. So sometimes, honestly, what I will do, if I'm going out at night, I'll take some of this, just a little bit, like a tiny, tiny little bit. And even after I'm done with my whole skincare routine, I'm ready to go out, I'll just tap it onto my cheeks. No joke, I'm not even kidding you guys. I tap it onto my cheeks, and it just leaves this really nice, natural looking glow. It's almost like a skincare highlighter. And every time I go out, people are like, wow, your skin looks so good. It's glowing. It's so beautiful. And it's just because I apply some of this vitamin C serum on top. It's my little secret weapon, seriously, because I don't wear makeup on the daily, but it's really effective. And also, again, with vitamin C, you really want to incorporate something with vitamin C into your skincare routine if you're looking for a youthful appearance. It is a powerhouse ingredient. Definitely try a lot of different things until you find the one that works best for you, but I highly recommend this one because I have really reactive skin, so I think a lot of people are gonna benefit from this product. Okay, so the next step is the moisturizer. This is a really important part of your skincare routine, whether it's day, night, whether you're looking for youthful skin or just generally good skin, everyone's gotta moisturize. I'm going to be using the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Night Cream. I have become a big advocate for night creams, sleeping masks, anything that is nighttime derivative. So it's really there just for the nighttime. The technology that goes into these products is really focused on utilizing your own skin's reparative time while you're asleep to get the most out of these creams, and I think that they work. This is the perfect time to powerhouse your skin. You will wake up, you will see a beautiful result to your skin. It's just a great time to get the most out of your skincare routine. This one in particular is super lightweight, which is why I like it, because I don't feel like there's anything on my skin, even though it's filled with incredible ingredients. A little bit goes a long way. That's probably all I'm gonna need. Focus in the center, always where I want the most moisture. I feel like it's in the center of your face. And then I do upward motions. I mean, it might be in my head, but I feel like if I'm lifting it up, it's gonna stay up there. Stay up. And then I do everything in an upward motion. And I go through it a couple of times. That little bit, I still feel it. It's still doing its job. I can still use it going right down to my neck. I like this cream a lot, honestly. And it doesn't feel heavy like a traditional night cream because my skin is pretty normal. I don't need that super intense heaviness. Now, if you are really dry skin and you're trying to achieve that youthful appearance, you really might want to focus on a cream that's a little bit heavier in weight to protect your skin a little bit more and maintain that moisture level. I don't need that much, but the Super Lotus that's in here, it's fantastic for hydrating. It's got incredible antioxidants, vitamins A, D, E. It's just really good at providing my skin with all those fantastic ingredients that it needs while I'm sleeping that my body can use to recuperate, heal, and just make my skin generally look and feel better when I wake up in the morning, which is something that I'm always looking for because I want to wake up and look good. I literally want to wake up like that, okay? Okay, so my final step is obviously an eye cream. I'm gonna be using the Kiehl's Since 1851 Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I have fallen in love with the Kiehl's eye cream. In fact, I think I have 3 of them at home and I kind of rotate depending on what I want. This one in particular I have found I really like at night a lot. It's very emollient. It's super hydrating. The avocado oil in here does wonders for your eye. And here's the thing, it doesn't matter if you are more mature or if you're really young, start using eye cream. This skin is so thin on everybody. It doesn't matter what your age is, what skin type you are. That skin on a human is very thin and it is easily damaged by outside environmental damages, just the general wear and tear we put on our skin. So start with an eye cream. You don't need a lot of it. I'm gonna be honest with you, for me, a little bit goes a long way. That probably is even a little more than I thought. Use my ring finger to apply. You really wanna be gentle with this skin. No pulling, no tugging. This is a really nice emollient eye cream, which means it has a lot of spread and flexibility to it. So you don't have to worry about it sort of needing to be pulled and tugged. What I will do with this is basically tap it around and slowly work it into the skin. One of the things I learned with eye creams, very young in my 20s, was I thought that certain creams were causing problems with my eye because I would get teary-eyed. I'd be like, oh, I can't wear that eye cream. It must be something in it that's bothering my eyes. What I learned is I was taking the cream too close to my lash line on top and bottom. If you find that you struggle with certain eye creams that you get watery-eyed or red-eyed, it might not be the ingredients in the eye cream. Here's what it is. A lot of times, you notice how I only applied that down here? I was about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch away from my lash line. This skin is so thin it doesn't penetrate just downwards like it does in the thicker areas of our skin, moisturizer and stuff. They tend to go right down. This area is so thin that not only does it penetrate down into the skin, it spreads out very much. So by applying it lower, I'm allowing it to absorb up more towards the lash line, so it'll get there. But if I put it too close, it might kind of get into the eye area. So I would say if you find with eye creams that you get a little redness or maybe teary-eyed, try applying it a little further away from the actual lash line and allowing your body to absorb it into that area. And I think you'll find a lot of eye creams you'll benefit from without any of that irritation. I know that was a personal experience for me. I had to learn the hard way, basically. But again, I'm just allowing this. I mostly tap it through, to be honest with you. I very little bit of this because I don't want to pull it. And this finger, the ring finger, has the least amount of pressure, and that's why I use it. But that's it. Apply it. Allow it to do its job. Eye creams are intended for that thin, very fragile skin. So it really is there to boost your own skin's strength, defense, help it maintain its own fortification, so to speak. And that's really gonna allow you to create a more beautiful, youthful looking skin. So there you have it. That's my skincare routine at night for youthful looking skin. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, maybe picked up a tip or a trick or a product you wanna try out. Let me know in the comments section below. I love to hear from you guys. If you have any tips or tricks on things that you use at night that you have found super effective, please share it with all of us. We'd love to hear from you. I'm taking notes. Trust me, I listen to everything you guys say. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you guys can see new videos from us every single week. And until next time, have a great night's sleep, and I'll see you looking beautiful in the morning. Take care. Bye.